Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Deborah. Please don't forget to subscribe. On this channel you would see my travel vlogs, DIY and house renovations, and also discussing about property investment. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, join the family so we can continue to grow. So guys, if you want to get onto the property ladder, then this video is for you. If you're earning 25k and you're looking to get onto the property ladder, then this video is for you. If you just love everything property, then this video is for you. If you're looking at a property investment, then this video is for you. So get subscribing. So I've decided to do this video because a lot of people feel like if they're on an annual salary of £25,000, then they can't get onto the property ladder. And I just thought it would be helpful to give you guys an insight as to what you can get and that you can actually be a homeowner. A lot of people think property investment, you have to have thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds. But really, you know, with £10,000 you can actually get onto the property ladder with the 5% government scheme available right now. And you know, you have to start off small. You climb up the ladder. You know, you start from the bottom of the ladder and you climb up eventually. So property is a long-term investment. It's not short-term. It's not something that you can put your money in and 3 months, 6 months down the line you think, yes, I want to sell it and I would have made thousands of pounds. That is actually not the case. In very, very, very rare cases, yes, that could be the case, but most times it's a long-term investment. You have to wait for the money to appreciate over time. Just to let you guys know, I am not a qualified property expert. I'm not a qualified property consultant. I am just a civil engineer who has investment in properties, and I'm just going to give you guys an insight based on my experience. This video is going to be based on the bank giving you 4.5 times your salary. So what this means is that if you're earning £25,000 a year, then times this by 4.5, this will give you £112,500. So this is the amount that the bank can loan you. In some cases they can give you 4. In some cases they can give you 5 times your salary. It just all depends on your credit profile. But this video is going to be based on 4.5 times your salary. So as of now, the UK government has a 5% deposit scheme going on right now, and this expires December 2022. So this is next year, December. So guys, if you want to get onto the property ladder, this is the best time to get onto the property ladder. Looking at properties with a value of £120,000 would probably put you in a very good position, as you'd only have to raise 7.5 grand of deposit, especially with the 5% UK government scheme available now, and factor in legal costs and surveying costs and home insurance costs and all that sort of stuff. Let's say potentially an extra 2.5 grand. So in total you would only need about £10,000. So you can save about £10,000 and you can actually get yourself onto the property ladder. Guys, do check out my video on how I saved £15,000. So London is the capital and it's, you know, congested. Everyone wants to live in London. It's busy. So in London, if you're looking to buy a property in London, then you can get like a 3-bedroom houseboat which could be moored at the Imperial Wharf. So this is a 3-bedroom houseboat for sale in London for £120,000. Guys, so this houseboat is moored at the Imperial Wharf and you won't have to pay stamp duty. The only charges you would have are the mooring charges and the licenses that you would have to pay. You've got this studio apartment based in East London for £100,000. It's close to local shops and local amenities. It's just by the train station, so that's great for transport links, and also it's chain free, so it's definitely great for investment. So moving a bit out of London, you've got Essex, and you've got this studio apartment going for £120,000 in Purfleet. This property has got a communal garden, parking, and it's got great transport links. It's close to the M25 and A13 and also close to Lakeside Shopping Centre. So yes, this is definitely a property to purchase if you are looking to get onto the property ladder. So this is another property in Essex, Colchester, Essex, and it is a 1-bed apartment for £115,000. It's a 1st floor flat. It's got an open plan kitchen and living room. It's close to the station, walking distance to the town centre. Guys, for this price of £115,000, it's definitely worth it. So another place surrounding London is Kent, and this apartment is a studio apartment in Gravesend, Kent, and it's for £110,000. It has allocated parking, a phone entry system, great communal garden, and it's got great transport links into London. So if you're looking within this area, this is definitely something to look at. You've also got this 1-bed apartment in Gillingham, Kent for £120,000. Guys, this apartment is a great investment. It also has a garage that comes with it, and it is literally next door to the station. So definitely ideal for a first-time purchase and definitely ideal for property investors. So if you're looking for properties within the Sussex region, then this is something to look at. It's a studio apartment going for £115,950 and has just been recently furbished. It's a modernised apartment. It's close to local amenities and it's literally next door to Billinghurst train station. So guys, this is something to check out. Cambridgeshire is a bit further out from London, but here you have this 2-bed apartment for £110,000. It's a walking distance to the city centre. You have allocated parking, you have a beautiful river view. Like guys, it doesn't get any better. Cambridgeshire, if it's somewhere that you know you're looking at and it's a location that you would like to live in, then guys, check out this property. So going further up from London, you have this 1-bed apartment in Northampton for £120,000, guys. This apartment is stunning. It's in a beautiful condition. It's close to the station and it has allocated parking as well, walking distance to the city centre, and it's definitely worth the price. So guys, definitely ideal for first-time buyers and investors. So moving further out of London, you have places like Birmingham, which is also a very nice city to live in, has great transport links to London with the HS2 coming into place as well. So guys, it's definitely something to consider. Definitely ideal if you're looking for properties to get more for your money. So this 2-bed property in Marston's Green has a communal garden, conservatory, and has great transport links to Birmingham Airport, and it's definitely a great size for the price it's worth. You also have this 3-bed terrace property in Wednesbury is for £110,000. This property offers an entrance porch, 2 double bedrooms with a single size bedroom, a downstairs toilet and a family bathroom, and it also is close to a train station. Guys, this property is ideal for first-time buyers and property investors. So if you're looking for properties within this area, this is definitely something to have a look at. So Manchester is definitely a city worth checking out, and here we have this 3-bedroom semi-detached property for offers over £109,000, 950. Guys, this property is definitely something to check out. It has a large rear garden and it's just beautiful. For the price it's selling at, guys, it's definitely ideal for a first-time buyer or investors, or if you're looking for a nice 3-bed home for you and your family, then please do check out this property. It's definitely worth it. Here you also have this 3-bed terrace property in Middleton, Manchester for £115,000. This is really a nice property with a garden and easy access to Manchester town centre. So it's definitely something to check out if you are looking to move within this area and within this price and of this size. So if you're looking for something bigger within a similar price range, then probably check out towns like Liverpool. This property here is a 4-bedroom semi-detached house for £105,000. It has excellent bus links, close to schools and local amenities, and it's also close to the train station. Guys, for this price, it's definitely something to check out as an investor, a first-time buyer, or someone that's just looking to move to Liverpool. If you're looking for something bigger than a 4-bedroom house for this price range, then places like Tyne & Wear is something to check out. Here's a 5-bedroom terraced house for £120,000. Guys, it has 2 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms. This is definitely worth checking out if you're looking to move into this area within this price range of this size. So that was a summary of the range of properties you can get across the UK for £120,000 or less. I hope this video has helped you and has given you an insight as to the types of property you can get in different locations across the UK. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please do comment below on, you know, if you are looking for a property, the types of property you're looking for. Do comment below so we can get talking, and please don't forget to subscribe. Guys, we need your subscription. I need your subscription. We need to get to 1K. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.